Hey, KOBK, man. Hey, man, keep on doing your thing, baby. I hope they understand that you dropping these gems out here and really giving them a gift right now. Let's go. K-O-B-K. Let's make these trades and I'ma get you paid. K-O-B-K. I'm here to motivate my people every day. Ooh. Let's make these trades and I'ma get you paid. I'm here to motivate my people every day.
I can do that too, but that's not right now. Okay? Now listen. If you are already a member of our incredible
Yes. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, team. Welcome, family. Welcome, world. It's your boy, KOBK, and that stands for Knocked Out by Knowledge. Today, we got something exciting for you guys today. Today, we're going to be going over some strategies. Today, we're actually going to be trading just a little bit. And I got some individuals on this platform. I have some seasoned vets on this channel. And then I also have some people who've never, ever used this platform today. The reason that's so important, because we're going to sit here and we're going to show you guys how anybody can literally come to this platform and trade, how anybody can take the skill sets that we learned from the academy and apply them to their everyday life while trading on this platform. Today, we will be using binary options. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring a couple individuals up so they can introduce themselves, and then we're going to hop right into it. So with that being said, I'm going to bring my brother, Mr. Carter, to the stage. Mr. Carter, are you there? Are you there?
Man, hey, man, say, man.
What's going
good?
on, brother?
Man, just living.
Living. Hey, bro, how did you get into this space, Carter?
I got in this space through you, actually. You know, I know when we was in Japan, you talked about it, and I kept blowing you off. And then when I got here in Georgia, kept on. And then I had a friend that was in the academy, one of my coworkers. So I was able to see him instead of somebody just trying to explain it to me. And I'm like, hey, man, that looks like something I'd like to do. So I got in on that team, but that team was like straight trash. You know, they just sign you up, but nobody met, nobody taught anybody, and the educators we had, they would just trade, but they weren't teaching you how to trade. So when I'd go in by myself, I was kind of lost.
Got you.
But you know, I kept watching your Facebook and other platforms that you were on, and I could see the comments from the other people, and they were like, "Man, Curry's engaged, he's with us." So like, that's what I need. So
awesome.
Here I am.
Welcome, baby. Welcome. Hold on. Let me see who else we got on here. We got my girl, Nelly. Let me tell you all about Nelly. Nelly is brand new to this space. She is so energetic. She is loving. She's joining. She has a heart to help every single body that she comes in contact with. Guys, I'm going to tell you about Nelly. When Nelly walks into the room, people just gravitate to her because of her excitement, her passion, her joy, her spirit. Nelly, I'm bringing you to the stage. Miss Nelly, are you available to speak? Oh, you're muted. You're muted, sis. Hold on one second. I got you right there. Oops. There we go. Are you there? Okay, we can't get Nelly right now. It's okay. Nelly, what I want you to do is fix your mic. We're going to bring you back. Miss Allison, are you available?
Of course I am.
Miss Allison, girl. What's going on?
Oh, I am fabulous.
So tell us a little bit about yourself. How did you get into this space? Like, what did you see? Why do you stay here? Like, just give us a little something.
Yeah. Well, like, I think a lot of individuals who have tapped into trading before, I think I was one of those people that did not have the best experience. I was with a team. My last team actually was not too bad, but then they left the academy. But there was something in me. I knew that there was something that had to work, because I know this could be a life changer if I just get it. But I knew that I had to get into a community that can help me. And I just prayed. I just kept sticking at it. I prayed and I was like, Lord, you got to send me something. Something has to work because I know this is where I need to be. And I was on Facebook and I saw Clyde. I've been looking at his videos and I
You
was
was stalking
really,
me, sis? You was stalking me?
oh, yes, I was. But what really drew me to this platform and this community is just the love that I saw going out to helping not just grown-ups, but also young kids, young women, young men. And that has been a great part of my life journey, trying to help children and to give them a better future. So I knew that if I was in a space where I could learn and just get myself in a position where I can help others, that was my goal. And I am just so grateful that I am in this space now, because I've been here for just a week and I cannot believe how much I have learned. Literally, I can go on my computer now and 2 days later I'm trading and I'm clearing my trades. So
Yes, yes.
just
Congratulations.
thankful.
Awesome, awesome. I love that story. And it's a pleasure for you to be here. It was a pleasure to meet you. Let's just continue to grow together. Seriously. I want to bring my brother to the stage, Kravis. Kravis, are you available to speak, brother? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. Loud and clear. Nelly, I haven't forgot about you. Are you good to go, Nelly? Can we hear you? Hold on.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay, Nelly.
Yeah.
All right. Kravis, brother, man, talk to us. Let the people know.
Yes, ladies first. So,
Oh, go
ladies
ahead.
first.
Oh, Nelly, it's in your court, Nelly. Go ahead. So
Oh, it's in my-
give us a little bit about yourselves and tell us how you got here, what you've been learning since you've been, hopping on my session or whatever the case may be. Just let everyone know what's going on.
I retired in 2020 after working 21 years on an assembly line, and being stuck at home, I had to find something. But the first thing I came across was a scam in the crypto area. So I was in search for some solid people, right? And I had a dream one night about XRP when I didn't even know what XRP was. I ran to my desk and I wrote it down, and it came across Shamika, Lady Queen, and I trust that woman. I love that woman, and she led me to this platform. And yesterday was the first time I ever came across you. And I just cannot get over this community, how loving, how giving. I don't know you, and you've just taken me under your arm and under your wing and taken the time to teach me. And I'm just so grateful for this community. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely, girl. You almost made me cry right there. Don't make me tear up now. Don't make me tear up.
I'm just so grateful. That's all. Yeah.
Hey, we'll appreciate you. We love having you here, most definitely. And you're always welcome, without a doubt. Shamika, that's my sister, so it's not that. Now you're my sister, so
Thank you.
Let's do
And
it.
I'm just so excited to learn. This is such an exciting space to be in right now. So I'm grateful.
Awesome, awesome. We're gonna bring Kravis up right now. Kravis, what's going on, bro? Your turn, baby. Your turn. Hold on, let's unmute you. There you go. Go ahead, brother.
Yes. Good morning, to everybody. But yeah, I just got into this space about like 6 months ago. I just retired, took an early package after working for Delta Airlines for about 20 years and stuff. And so I got into crypto, and for about 6 months. And then a friend of mine introduced me to Jean Christophe, and said well, this guy, he does day trade and stuff. So we linked up, and then I'm here. So I'm here to learn and make some great passive income, and hopefully I can draw some others to join the team as well. So
Awesome, bro. Awesome,
Yeah.
man. Well, hey, John, that's Christoph. That's my boy, man. So major shout out to him, man. Thank you for coming over here. We're going to get into this in a second. We got a couple more people I want to do a little introduction with. Jeannie, are you available?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. Sis, let the people know how you came into this space.
Okay. First of all, I'm a retired school teacher. Been teaching for over 20 plus years. So I was like, I need something else to do with my time. So I was brought into the space by Shamel and Lady Queen. And I signed up for DCX.
Ooh.
I've been in it about a month. And I'm excited to make passive income and just learn this because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just here to learn.
Nice, nice. Well, today we're gonna show you something a little bit different. We love crypto. We love crypto. That's my love language. But today we're gonna teach and show everyone how we trade on the other side, which we will be trading binary options today. So be ready. Be ready to click that button, and I'm gonna walk you guys through exactly how we do that as well. Miss Denise, let's bring Miss Denise up. Miss Denise, are you available to speak?
I am. Hello, family. How you doing, everyone?
What's up? Let everybody know where you're from, how you got here, how we met. Just tell the story.
For sure. I am from Miami, Florida, born and raised, to death do us part, for better or for worse. So yeah, I'm down here in Miami, and I was introduced to this space through a mutual friend, Chris East. She and I has a strong bond together, but it was inevitable. It was a divine moment because this space was written in my path. If you guys get me, this space spoke to me when I didn't understand what it was saying, so I ran. But then I'm the type of person I like challenges, so I stopped and I said, okay, let me see what it's saying to me. And now it's talking to my soul. So yeah, this is where I am, and learning the strategy of what we're about to do. Curry speaks to my soul. So I'm honored to be here. This is what I'm doing. This is my life now, and here I am.
Awesome.
So I'm Denise. I am the hustler in heels, and I'm here for it. So nice to meet everyone. I hope we have a good morning.
Yes, most definitely. Let's get it. So what I'm going to do is, before we get started, guys, I'm going to take a commercial break real quick, get everything set up so we can dive into this platform that we will be showing you guys. Oh, but wait, we have my brother Daryl here. Daryl's just popped on the stream as well. Daryl, are you available to talk? Yes, sir. Daryl.
What up, dope fam?
What's up going on, brother? Hey, give the people a little bit about yourself, man. See, you have a little bit more insight on actually what we do in Atlanta. Let the people know what's going on. Let them know how we come together. Let them know how we help each other. And prior to that, let them know exactly how you came into this space.
All right, yeah, my name is Daryl from Detroit. And I actually learned this some years ago. I learned I actually tried to trade years ago. I used to do charts manually, look up the open, high, low, and close, and do them on the graph paper, something similar to like a graph paper. And so I had love for it, but I really couldn't figure it out. For one, I really didn't have the money to do it. I just wanted to do it. And so I was kind of like watching the market real close and staying up late at night. And I was so emotionally attached to it that I really couldn't even trust instincts, or trust the things that I learned. And so as time went on, I met my young brother from the church, Tyler Harris, because we previously had talked about it probably some years ago. And once he was introduced to it, he seen me and he told me about it. And so I started coming to the class in Atlanta with Cole and Mr. Crypto Rich, And so those brothers there, they taught me and they was introducing some things. My problem is I was lackadaisical in the beginning with it. So I didn't do my due diligence. But the brothers, they stayed with me though. You know, Cole and Tyler and Crypto Rich, they stayed with me. And even Kathy and Trishelle, them, they awesome as well too, you know. And so I love the community. I love the family. And I'm grateful for Knocked Out by Knowledge because he patient with us. He patient with us, and he got a good. You got a good understanding of I guess people intellect and people journey. So you know, glory be to God for a person like you. You know.
Amen.
So I'm grateful. I'm thankful. I'm in this space. I ain't turning back. I got everything in the ground now. And I do have a little problem kind of like understanding the computer because I ain't really too computer savvy. So I be a little slow on things, you know, but I ain't gonna let that hold me back. Hey, if I gotta be a little slow, I'm gonna be a little slow, you know.
Hey, with that being said, we're gonna make this super easy let me bring everybody to the stage. We're actually today we're gonna make that super easy for everyone on here today and everyone that's watching and everyone who watches the replay. Because with this, if you can push a red or green button, you can win on this platform, you guys. And I want to sit here and tell all of you guys that right now. So we're gonna go to a commercial break real quick, and then as soon as we come back, we're gonna go to a platform. The platform we will be using is Quotex. All you guys that are watching online, you guys can hop on Quotex. We will be using a demo account because you have to learn this skill before you can apply it to your life. You got to learn it first. And setting up on Quotex is just one of the ones I use. There's many different ones out there, but today that's the one I use today. I can't advise you on which platform to use. That's a personal choice. But you have to do your own research to figure out which broker is best for you for trading. So we will be using that. But if you can push a red or a green button on this platform today, you can possibly, I ain't going to guarantee nothing, but you can possibly win some trades because y'all might push the button late. Don't blame it on me today. So what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to hit this commercial and we will be back. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me make sure I got everything up over here. We will be doing a demo account. This demo account, we will start it off at $10,000 today. And I will put this. Now, when I pull this up, don't y'all get to asking what I got on my chart today. Y'all don't get to asking no questions. Y'all just rock with me now. Just rock with me. All right, let me pull this over. All right, cool. Now let's go ahead and share this screen with you guys. We will be sharing. 1 second. There we go. Share. Give me 1 second. What is going on? Follow me. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Bring this over. There we go. There we go. All right. Can you guys, let me bring you to the stage real quick. I want to make sure you guys can see everything that's going on. And you guys can talk during this. We can have fun. You guys can ask questions. All right, cool. Can you guys see my screen? Can y'all see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So let me see if I can trade. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on 1 second. All right. So before we even start, I just want to make sure that I can mark on my screen as we talk. I cannot do it that way. Ain't that something? All right. So what I'm gonna do then right now, as of now, I'm just gonna go over this platform and show you guys exactly how this platform works. I know some of you guys are new to this platform. This platform is what we use when we trade on binary options. Can you guys hear me clear? Are we good to go?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Is there any lag at all?
No.
No.
Okay, perfect. So with this platform, you guys, this is what we trade to use binary options. This actual broker, you can actually set this account up with as low as $10. Some of the other brokers out there, you can start with as low as $50, $250, $500, and $1,000 and more. Each broker gives you a little bit different. Some of those brokers with the higher fee, a higher starting balance, allows you to have the feature that's called rollover, and that allows you to have more time in a trade. Me, I don't use rollover. I don't rely on rollover. I rely looking at the market structure, seeing what's going on, and then taking my trades when I see a good trade. One of the most important things, guys, when you're trading on this platform is to use proper risk management. I emphasize proper risk management. And I'm gonna tell you guys this as well. When you fund these accounts, okay, never fund an account with money you are not willing to lose. If you're not willing to lose that money, do not fund that account, because there is a possibility that you could lose. But there's also a high possibility that you can win your trades with following our educators and also following the strategies that we learned from the platform. So how this platform works. You guys see my mouse? You see my cruiser? Can you see it moving?
Yes.
All right. So the way this works, this right here is our time. You can literally click on this box right here and you can adjust your time. Today, we will be taking 3-minute trades. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and click on this box right here. Don't hit the plus or minus. You don't have to do that. Just click on that box and switch it to 3 minutes. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and try to share this a different way so you guys can actually, I can do it with you guys. 1 second. 1 second. Let me do this with y'all. I'm gonna have to probably remove a couple of you guys from the stage. Let's see here. Let me do this. There we go. And then I'm actually.
Yeah, my camera. You can move me, Carrie.
There we go. Let me do this. All right, we're gonna remove. We're going to remove. Okay.
Hey, Cole, you talking about the time that's right up under the currency on the right?
Yep.
And put it to 3 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to go back to share my screen with you guys. And what I want to do is I want to do it with you guys. So let me do this. I think this will work out better. There we go. Can you guys see my screen?
No.
You cannot see my screen. Chrome has lost permissions to capture your screen. Hold on 1 second. Give me a sec, guys. Let me go ahead and follow this. It's because it's a Mac. All right, let me adjust this real quick. Let me adjust this and then we'll be right back to it so we can get directly into this. All right, we're going to go up here. We're going to go to System Preferences. Somehow we got disconnected with recording Google Chrome. So I'm gonna go back in there and reset this up real quick. There we go. Security and privacy. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. It is not letting me get in there. Were you guys able to adjust your time though? There we go. You guys able to adjust your time?
To 3 minutes, yes.
Okay. So I'm looking for this right now. Let's see, privacy. There we go. Camera. There we go. Screen recording. There we go. Let me unlock this. Then we should be good to go. There we go. Unlock. Boom. There we go. Lock that back. Google Chrome will not be able to record the contents of your screen until it is cleared. Oh, that is terrible. So I'm going to have to actually.
You disappeared, yo. Can any one of y'all see code? Okay. Say 1 sec, fam. All right.
Can y'all hear me?
Yes, indeed.
Ooh, okay, cool. Now we should be good to go. So with that being said, I'm gonna do a commercial real quick while we go ahead and get everything going again. Y'all give me a sec.
If you have no proof that your stuff works, write that down. I need proof. We have proof. I didn't charge.
All right. I got everything up, everything going. All right. So now we're going to go back and then we are going to share this screen now. Share screen. Thank you guys for being patient. There we go. Boom. Share. All right. Can y'all see that?
Yes, indeed.
All right. Can y'all see me moving and everything?
Yes.
All right, cool. So back to the board. So the first thing that we're going to do right here on the right side, you guys see the time. Hold on, let me make sure we are, yep, okay. Right there on the right-hand side, we have our time. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually click in this box and we're going to do 3 minutes. The reason we did that, we did 3 minutes, 3 minutes on. So that means we're exactly trading for 3 minutes. If we do 4, we're trading for exactly 4 minutes. And if we do 5, we are trading for exactly 5 minutes. So we will be trading for 3 minutes. This right here is the amount of money you're willing to trade. All you have to do is click in here and type whatever you want to trade. You want to do 200? You can put 200. Right underneath this box, you can hit this button that says switch, because you guys know we like to trade 1, 2, 3% of our account balance and, you know, get up to 3 to 8% for the day. So you can literally change it right here and take your trades by a percent. So you don't literally have to calculate the trades. So I'm going to leave it on 3% for now. This green button right here means buy. So if you hit this green button, you're going to enter this trade right here. As long as this little bar, or if we switch to the chart, let me go over here real quick for you guys. We're going to go to area. If I was to hit, here, let's do this. I'm going to show you guys live real quick. We'll do a dollar trade real quick so you guys can see. I'm going to hit buy. So right here on the screen, there's a green line right here. As long as this little dot is above that green line, anywhere above that green line, I will win that trade. If it falls below that green line and I push the green button, which is call, meaning I want to see the market to go up, if it's below that, I'll lose. The red line right here, the red bar, that means put, which also means sell. So if I was to hit the sell button right here and it was to go down, I want that bar to be below that channel right there, and then I will win that trade. When you're in profit on the trade, you'll see it highlight right here at the top. So currently right now, we are in profit on that trade. We hit put, saying we believe that the market was going to go down from where we entered that market, and we are literally in that trade for 3 minutes. Now, over here on the left-hand side, there's a little plus. If you click that plus, you're going to get all these different pairs right here, all the different currencies. So when we're calling out currency pairs, we're not going to say the full thing, you guys. We're just going to say AUD chef. That's the Australian dollar and the Swiss dollar. Or we're going to say EUR USD. That's the European dollar and the United States dollar. Or I might say GBP chef, which GBP is the Great Britain pound versus the Swiss franc versus the Swiss dollar. And so far, and JPY is actually your Japanese yen. And then if you also come over here to the chart, me personally, I like to look at candles. So I'll have my graph to candles. There's many different styles. Each one of the candles do something a little bit different. So you pick whatever is best for you. For me right now, for this style of trading, I will leave it on the traditional candles and not the Heiken Ash or the bars. And I'll show you guys what those look like. That's your traditional bar setting. And then this right here is your Heiken Ash candles. I'll give you guys a pro tip, a secret. When you're using Heiken Ash candles, when you're looking at those candles, if you see all red, that's letting you know majority of the people coming into the market are selling. If you see all green, that means majority of the people that are coming into the market, they are buying. So now you can actually look at patterns of what's going on in the market, and you can execute your trades like that as well. But me personally, for this, I will be using your traditional candles. There's also a time frame. This time frame right here allows you to it's going to tell you, you get to pick exactly how much time each candle is. So for this right here, I have it on 1 minute. Every single one of these candles that you see is 1 minute. If I want to do a 5-minute candle, I'll click the 5. Now every single candle on this chart is 5 minutes. That was the first trade that we took. We got the notification. That was a call. We lost that trade. That was a $1 trade. The other one's about to close out. We're about to win that trade, as long as this line stays underneath where we entered that trade. So for today, you guys, we're going to keep our candles on 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. We have our candles on 60 seconds, but we will be taking 3-minute trades. So actually, I'm looking at CAD JPY right now, you guys. I have a timer on my chart. This timer right here actually lets me know how much time is left on this candle before it closes out and the next candle opens up. So what I'm going to do, as soon as this candle, actually, I'm not going to take this trade. As soon as this candle closes, I would enter this trade. But as I know that it's above my EMA right now, the market is actually in the buyer's market. It's turning into an uptrend. So I'm going to be patient on this one, and I'm gonna go look for another currency because I want to find a good setup for you guys. We'll take a few of these, and then we'll be done with this call today. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm hitting this plus button, and I'm clicking on different pairs. So when I do that, that allows me to flip through all the different currencies real fast to see if I see a good setup. Now, when we're taking these type of trades, you guys, you want to literally trade with things that are paying out 75% and higher because your risk to reward is greater. So right here, you can see within the revision from the last 1 minute, we're paying out 88%, 84%, 82%. So those are the ones that we really want to click on because they will pay out the higher percentage. Let me go over here. Let me add one more. Let me see Euro JPY, add that as well. Man, anything that's in those 80s right now, AUD CAD, Euro Chef, add Euro CAD. Should be enough. GBP USD. Cool. So we have that. Now look, prior to taking these trades, what you want to do is I'm going to open this tab. I'm going to show you where we like to go. You guys see my Forex Factory? You guys cannot see that yet. Let me switch screens for you guys real quick. Let's go ahead and do this. Let me stop that share. Bring another share in real quick. We're going to do this. Boom. So one of the most important things you want to do is you can just go to Google, type in forexfactory.com, and then it's going to bring this up. This right here tells you what's going on in the market. I ain't going to tell y'all how to read this right now, but this is very important. I'll tell you this. If you see a red folder, me personally, unless you're trading the news, you want to stay away from that currency because that means that that currency can go either way. It can go with the trend, against the trend. You just don't know because of the high impact news coming with that. When you scroll down here to the bottom, you're going to see this right here. These are the market hours. So right now we're actually in a prime time to trade because New York and the London market are overlapping. More volume in the market. I love to trade when there's a lot of value in the market. This right here is the Sydney and Tokyo. That is the Asian market. That market moves a little bit slower. A lot of traders lose because they trade during that time. And then one other thing I want to show you guys is this right here, the currency strength meter. So when you come over here to the currency strength meter, currencystrengthmeter.org, you can come over here and you can actually look at the currency strength that we have in the market. Now, you guys know what we have in the academy. We have our other tools that we can use that make things even easier when we're trading. But this is another tool that you can use to actually come over here, see what's going on, and make your trades based on what you see directly right here. This refreshes every 5 minutes, but if you want to do it faster, you could just click that refresh button and going back on to your business. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a couple trades. We got morning mentorship meeting coming up in a minute. We're just going to take a few trades real quick. You guys can take these trades with me if you want to. I'm just going to look at some things, and then we're going to execute some trades within the market. So let me go ahead and go here. Let me share this screen. Boom. All right. All right, let's see here. So now what I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to scan these markets. We're going to switch this to 3%. Oops. I'm just going to go ahead and type that to 3%. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm entering that trade right now. I entered that trade a little bit early, got excited, but that trade is in profit. Let me see here, see what we got here. So what I'm doing is I have certain things on my chart that actually helps me from what I learned from the academy on when to actually enter these trades. So to be honest, I'm not liking the way the market is looking right now. I'm really not. So when the market does look like this, I won't trade. I'll live to trade another day. I'll come back. So I'm gonna just keep looking. Let's see this right here. As you see, I entered this trade right here for a put. We are currently in profit on this trade, $564 on this demo account. The market is continuing to dropping, and I actually might enter this trade for another entry on the next candle. Boom, enter that trade again. So now I have two positions that I entered this trade. Entered this trade up here, and I entered the trade here. So currently we are in profit on one of our trades, which was our initial trade. And then in another class, I'll show you guys how you can use these lines to actually re-enter the market on different entry points to have an even better opportunity to win more of your trades, actually increasing your overall balance of your account. Oh, we missed this one. This was actually a good trade. Let me see what else we got. What else we got? See if I can find one. So this right here, if we take this trade, we actually would be trading against the trend because it's definitely above our moving average right here. But I see a pretty decent setup, and I'm actually going to take this trade, and this will be the last trade that I take. I will be entering this trade now. So I entered Euro Chef for a put. I did a 3-minute put on this trade. I'm going to go ahead and look back at these other charts real quick, see if we have anything. Doesn't look like we have anything. This would, I'm actually going to enter this trade for a buy. We're in profit on that trade as well. So now I'm not going to take any more trades. I'm going to go ahead and close everything else down. I don't want to look at anything else because I don't want to hit that button. And this is all I do every single morning. Come over here. I make my money in my account, and then I go about my business for the rest of the day. We see CAD JPY is getting ready to close out. We're about to close out in profit. Big drop, big drop, big drop. Give me a big drop. Give me a big drop. There we go. We're about to clear. We are about to clear. As you guys can see, EuroCAD percentage just changed. It was in the 80s. It dropped down to 69%. So after this trade, we wouldn't even trade this pair anymore because the percentage dropped down. We just cleared that trade, $564 on that trade. Now we're waiting for our next trade to clear out. We have a couple seconds left, and then that one will close out as well. That would be $547 on that trade right there. And then our EuroCAD that we took is absolutely in profit as well. We're up $462 on that trade as well. This is it. This is easy, y'all. This is easy. This is easy. I mean, once you literally come and you actually plug into the academy, you go through the academy, you literally can learn the skill that no one can take from you. That's the most important thing. Like someone said earlier, we're actually teaching the youth out here from the ages 7 and up how to get into these markets and actually trade, because they don't teach us this in school. There's a reason why. But once you learn this, this is how you can actually create that financial freedom for yourself and for your family for generations to come. Just cleared that again, $547 on that trade. We are good. We are good. We have 2 trades left. This one's in profit. Don't think, yeah, we're going to take a lesson on Euro Chef unless we get a big drop. But this was the trade that I actually rushed into. I did not look at all of my analysis for this trade, but it's okay. We took 4 trades. We won 3, lost 1, 75% accuracy. I'm okay with that. I am clearly okay with that. EuroCAD, see, now it's playing. It's playing with us. It's trying to come back and touch, but I have confidence in this trade because of my analysis. I do. There we go. And she pushed right back up. Let's go. Let's go. Clear this trade out in profit for me. We're going to go ahead and switch up. Let's see how close we are. Oh, yeah, we're good. So we will lose the Euro Chef. That was the trade that was rushed into. We just lost Euro Chef, but we are about to clear EuroCAD. As you can see, the little dot right here is above our green line. Oh, she just came down. She came down. Let's see what we're going to do. What you going to do? What you going to do? Oh, let's go. Cleared at the last second. I am done trading for the day. We had a balance of $10,000. We ended with a balance of $426 in a matter of minutes trading on this platform. So with that being said, I am going to end this call. I'm going to stop this sharing because we do have this morning mentorship call. I'm going to bring you guys to the stage real quick. If you guys have any questions or if you even learned anything from this while doing this, we will be doing this class again. I will do it. It will be in my Telegram. If you want access to my Telegram, just shoot me a message so we can get you guys in there. Let me bring everybody up. Let me bring everybody up. All right. Miss Nelly, I see you shaking your head. Go ahead. Unmute your mic, Nelly. Unmute your mic. What do you have to say, Miss Nelly? I can't hear you again. I don't know what's going on over there. I can't hear you. All right, Miss Nelly, you get that fixed. Kravis, what's up, bro? You got anything for us?
No, I was just observing. So, I mean, this is still new to me, so I'm observing for now.
Absolutely. Cool. Miss Denise Carter, you guys got anything?
Nah, man, I like the platform.
Okay, it's nice, smooth, and easy, bro. Nice, smooth, and easy.
Only question I had: how did you get the EMAs in Cortex?
I'll show you after this call.
Copy that.
Well, I'll show you after the morning mentorship meeting, man. You and I, we could do a Zoom, and I'll walk you through how to do all that. Nelly, if you want to hop on there too, you can as well. I'll show you guys how to do that.
That was amazing. Thank you very much.
No problem. Miss Allison, do you have anything?
Well, actually, I placed one trade that you called out, and I won.
Let's go. Let's go.
So, I do have, I guess, some questions, but I think for now I'm okay.
Okay, awesome. You can call me anytime. You know I got you. If you want to set up a Zoom, we can do that as well.
Okay, thanks.
Awesome. Denise, are you there? All right.
I am. I got sidetracked a little bit, but oh my God, I have some questions and definitely about QTex because I'm still with that was amazing. So yeah, I was able to get in but on my own platform and it was amazing.
Wait. You telling me you took that trade on a different platform and won? You know what you telling me? Yeah. So you know what that tells me? That means,
you tell me if I can press it. If I can press it,
that means the strategy works. That's exactly what that means. The strategy works. You gotta apply this strategy. I love that. I love it.
Listen, I was like, should I do it? I'm not gonna second guess myself. He told me if I can press it, then go. Then that's what I did.
Awesome. Nelly, are you back? You back, sis?
Yep.
Oh, we got her back. Okay, what's going on, sis? What you got?
I just thought this was amazing. To follow along. I wasn't able to, I'm going between screens to place a trade, but I'm very excited to learn this for sure. It's very simple.
Absolutely. And see, that right there is why it's so beneficial to having the elite package.
Yeah.
Now, because you can have the DCX, you can have the HFX, and what I truly love, I started off on the Forex. The Forex broke down everything. Matter of fact, for all of those that are watching this live, that are watching the replay, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the prices of what it costs to actually start on this platform. We'll be back after this commercial break. There you go. You guys seen the prices. So if you want to get plugged in with this platform and you know anybody that is on this call, they can literally plug you in so you can get started winning, training, and learning as well. For those of you who know me and that are ready to get started and win with this community, hit me up, DM me, Facebook, textbook, email me, whatever you got to do, reach out to me so we can go ahead and get you guys started. With that being said, it was a pleasure. I love all of y'all. I will see you guys on the next live. And look, you guys, go ahead, share this video. With that being said, we out of here. Bye.